I'm Kevin Fana and I'm taking Bachelor of Arts in Communication and Media Studies, currently second year. So this program actually helped me grow academically and personally in a way na we are required to think critically and there are subjects na we are required to think creatively. May mga situations na kailangan critical ka lang, may mga situations na kailangan creative ka lang, at may mga situations na kailangan both. And being second year, these are the skills na talagang so far nahubog sa akin. And sobrang happy ko na I made the right choice of picking CMS as my program. And also, I just wanna quote yung sinabi nung prof namin nung first year kami. Kasi ako, a lot of people might not believe it. Actually, they don't believe whenever I say this. Pero I'm actually an introvert. Hindi lang halata. So every time I say it, parang people, ang sinasabi nila, we. Pero totoo, I'm an introvert. And yung sinabi ng prof namin nung nasa first year kami, being an introvert is not an excuse for you to be a poor communicator. Kumbaga, walang kinalaman ng introversion sa determining factor kung ang isang tao ay good communicator or not. Having that mindset, natulungan akong mag-grow, nabibuild yung confidence ko bilang isang good communicator. Kaya kahit introvert ako, nagagawa kong, magsalita sa harap ng camera, nagagawa kong mag-host, may confidence na binibigay sa akin ng CMS, nagagawa kong lampasan o magampanan yung mga task na yun successfully. Okay, so before entering CMS, isa na akong content creator. And dahil sa CMS, na-apply ko yung mga concepts dito sa pagiging content creator. And for me, ang pinaka-importante is knowing your target audience. Na-apply mo yung concepts ng CMS sa pagiging content creator, mas nakaka-develop ka ng contents na magugustuhan nila. On a deeper level, CMS also taught me na kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa social media ay merong mas malalim na dahilan na hindi lang basta contents, kundi dahil gumagawa tayo ng contents based sa gusto ng ating audience at gumagawa tayo ng contents because we want to leave a long-lasting impact. That's the magic of communication.